If you've ever been to a construction site or a garage, you probably came across a rigid vac. I love them. This is no different. Today we're taking a look at the Pro Pack wet dry vac, model number WD45500. Link in the description below. Let's get it started. What's going on, Team Review Zone? So today we're taking a look at one of the newer additions to the rigid vac lineup. Again, 4.5 US gallons, 15 liters, wet dry vac, very portable, very light, and very easy to store all the attachments. Been watching Back to the Future, have you, Rigid? Check it out, DeLorean style doors. This is where you store everything that comes with the vac. You got a lot of different attachments here. Now with this, you will get a 20-foot cord. You're going to get the super flex hose, you're going to get the utility nozzle, the dusting brush, the crevice tool, 2 extension wands, and you will get 2 clips that go on the back to hold those extension wands. Now on the other side, you have more attachments that you can store, and this is also where the blowing port is. I will show you that here soon. Now everything is very simple to hook up. The hose length when extended is 7 foot and the hose diameter is almost 2 inches at 1.875 of an inch. Now with a 5.0 peak horsepower, this thing is very powerful. It definitely feels like it has the power of the larger vacs, only on a smaller scale. Now it's very simple to turn this into a blower. All you have to do is take the hose and put it into the blower port right here, which is very handy on a hot day like today. Sorry, it was just very humid out today. Anyway, here is a look at all the different attachments you get with this unit. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. You got 2 latches, one on the front, one on the back. Just pop those open and pull the top. I also really like that large handle, makes it very easy to move around. Alright, so on the inside you can see no bags needed. The model number for the filter is VF3500. This is not for wet debris, but it's good for just about everything else. And with that being said, now it's time for the fun part. Let's start out with some grass clippings on the lawnmower. Oh, that was super simple. Now let's clean up the shop area a little bit. You can see very light. Don't really have to bend down all that much because the extension ones are very long. But you know what? I want to take it up a notch. Oh, by the way, this is very light. Alright, let's take this outside a little bit. My kid loves these rocks. For some reason they enjoy it more than the swing set, so let's clean them up. Alright, very smooth, very powerful. No loss of suction at all. No dust or dirt blowing out the side of this vac. The filter seems to be doing a very good job. So the air volume on this is 107 cubic feet per minute. They also say the weight on this is 16.5 pounds. And I gotta be honest with you, it feels a little bit lighter to me than that. It doesn't feel heavy at all. Alright, let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. Got the filter right there. And yeah, I mean, it took them down. No issue at all. But I want to see how it does with the water. Alright, so I believe this is a 30-quart cooler. Now obviously we're not going to be able to take all that water down, but I want to show you how powerful it is. Let's remove the filter. Very easy to do. Just pull on it. Alright, let's watch what this does. I'm telling you, watch how fast it'll pull that water into the tank.
Hey, stop!
I know, Doc. I know. Alright, now once it reaches its limit, it'll shut off automatically so you don't overflow it. You can fill it to about that line right there. And another cool little feature right here is you got that little notch right there for your cord so you don't damage it. Now when you're done, all you got to do is throw all your stuff back into the storage compartments and then close the lids. Throw the 2 extension wands on the clip and you are good to go. And again, very light. I don't feel that this weighs 16.5 pounds. Just like every other rigid vac I've ever used, works very, very well. Now again, it's only a 4.5 gallon, so you're not going to be able to get as much water in this as you would the larger vac. So if you're looking for something that's going to be able to pull up more water, you might want to go with a larger unit. And before I forget, I love the large on and off button. At the end of the day, I really like it. I'm really happy with how everything just gets closed up, very neat, and able to be stored away. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Check us out at www.toolreviewzone.com, and we will be back with more videos soon.